Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Sage Intacct for SaaS revenue reporting, beginner guide step-by-step clear. Start by logging into your Sage Intacct account. Navigate to the main dashboard where you will find the menu options. Select the Manage tab on the top menu. Under the Manage section, click on Contracts. Click on the Add button to create a new contract. Fill in the required fields such as contract name and description. Select the customer from the drop-down menu. Set the effective date for the contract. Choose the revenue recognition method that aligns with your SaaS model. Enter the total contract value in the designated field. Specify the billing frequency for the contract. If applicable, enter any discount information. Add line items to the contract for specific services or subscriptions. For each line item, provide details like item description, quantity, and unit price. Review the contract details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Save to store the contract. Next, navigate to the Reports tab from the main menu. Select Standard Reporting from the drop-down list. Locate the report related to revenue recognition under the Financial Reports section. This report will summarize your SaaS revenue based on the contracts you've configured. Use the filter options to customize the report to your specific needs. Set the date range for the report to view revenue within a specific period. Click Run Report to generate the revenue recognition report. Review the report for insights into your SaaS revenue streams. If necessary, export the report in your preferred format. To monitor ongoing revenue, schedule automatic reports in Sage Intacct. Configure email notifications to send these reports to your team regularly. Ensure all entries and configurations are periodically reviewed for accuracy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.